We also want to get out to another live report, this one in Shawnee County. KSNT News reporter Kelly Peltier is live at Love's Travel Stop in North Topeka with an update for us there. Kelly, how are things where you are?
Hey Tiffany, well, as you can see, it's very wind. I mean, that's the big thing that drivers should know right now as far as safety goes, because the winds are extremely high. That's really what we're dealing with. You can see here behind me this sign, the wind is so strong. I mean, it completely just took it right off of the sign right there. I mean, you can see everything is really blowing out here. So for travelers on the road, the big thing right now is, we know, as Cassie's story there with the truck driver, these high winds can push you out of your lanes super easily. So again, the main story tonight right now is, if you are out on the road or anywhere here in Shawnee County and our viewing area, make sure that you are being aware, you're driving slow, and if you can be inside, be inside. But again, that big thing that I'm seeing out here right now in North Topeka is the winds. So I will send it back to you guys for now. Everyone stay safe if you can. Reporting in Topeka, covering local news that matters, Kelly Peltier, KSNT News.
All right, thank you, Kelly, and you stay safe out there as well.